everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you guys are new here, welcome. In today's video, I am going to be sharing with you how I organize my refrigerator. It's been a hot minute since the last time I organized this, so come join me and I hope you have fun. So I am taking stuff off of the island here, so I have room to put all of the refrigerator stuff on because I feel like since it's been a while that I didn't clean my fridge, I'm gonna have a whole bunch of leftover food and expired stuff that I need to go through. Okay everyone, here is the inside of my fridge, and you guys can see that there's a whole bunch of stuff in here that is really not organized. A lot of old food in here and expired items that we're gonna have to go through later. I also have some wilted and rotting vegetables in here, so please don't judge because as you can see, I am working on it. So you guys see me opening my freezer here. I didn't really get a chance to organize this part of the fridge because I barely have any time to clean the main area because I had to take Clarlin to her orthodontist. So now I'm going to take everything, or not everything, I'm going to take some stuff out of the fridge and I'm going to explain to you why not everything. Over here, it's all gone, and this is what we have right here. So now I'm gonna go empty the other door and the main one. Okay, so I thought I was filming it, but I emptied this side and I took out the shelves from it, which is right here. And this is how much I have now just from those, the fridge doors. Also, I can take this out and wash it. Take this out and wash it. Put this up and wash it as well. Okay, so as you guys all saw, I emptied the doors of the fridge, and usually I would take everything out and then go through them, but I don't want to overwhelm myself. So I am going to go ahead and go through all of this now and then just toss whatever needs to be tossed, because when I take all the stuff out of the main storage or main fridge here, this counter or this island is going to be really full. So let's go ahead and do that. Okay, so actually we didn't really get rid of a lot of things here. These are all the things that I'm gonna get rid of because this is basically empty. This is really old. I probably had this since last year. And this one is also really old. This one, I don't really know what's in it, so we're all going to find out later when we get to the sink. This is a drink that my husband saved, and I'm just gonna throw it away because he can make more later. Okay. All right, guys, let's figure out what's in this one. I think it's olives. Let me smell. Ugh, gross. Yeah, I think they're, oh no, I think they're tapioca balls. Let's take a look. I'm gonna use the dirty. Oh no, they're olives. I don't know how long olives are good for, but since the lid is looking like this, I don't want to risk it. I'm just gonna go ahead and toss it. All right. Okay, so I don't know if it is a Filipino thing, but in my family, when we go to like fast foods and stuff like that, we tend to save the little packets of condiments, and this is all of that. So I have a whole bunch. I put them in like little reusable Ziplocs, but I think I want to get rid of them now because why? Why do I need 5 million packets of soy sauce from, let's see, I don't know, maybe this is from like a sushi place. This one for sure is from a sushi. But you know what, I can probably bring this for when we go camping, right? Yeah, maybe I'll bring this for camping this year. And then if we don't get to use it, and then I can just toss it after that.
So if I am being honest with you guys, I thought about just wiping off these shelves instead of doing the dishes and washing them, because I do not like doing the dishes. I'd rather do the laundry instead of doing the dishes. How about you guys? What are your favorite chores to do, if there's anything? Let me know in the comments down below. So while I was organizing my refrigerator, I was listening and watching a Netflix show called like something about the worst roommates ever. And you guys, it's pretty scary out there. You can't really like evict your tenants anymore or something like that. They have the right to stay if they want to stay. That is kind of scary. I mean, you know, we thought about renting out a room here in the house before, but watching this show, I think I'm gonna change my mind. Do you guys have any shows that you guys want to share? I kind of like, you know, those documentaries. So if you have a good documentary that you want to share, comment it down below. I would love to see what you guys are watching. So it looks like we are wiping and cleaning the whole fridge now. I forgot to film what I'm using here. I am just using a plain old Clorox wipes. I know there's been an issue about using the Clorox wipes while wiping the fridge. I used to have issues about it too, thinking it's gonna smell like Clorox and chemicals and toxins in the fridge, but that's all I have right now. I know you could probably use like baking soda and vinegar or just water or any non-toxic stuff, but this is all I have right now, and I don't want to use just water because it's just not gonna scrub off the things that I need to scrub. What about you guys? What do you guys use to clean your refrigerator? If you could comment that down below so I could try it next time I clean my fridge, that would be awesome. So after I wiped down the refrigerator and also washed the shelves in the sink and dried them, it's time to assemble it back together again. I'm trying to organize and see if I can change the levels of the shelves, but let's see how I did. So it was at this moment that I totally forgot that my daughter had an orthodontist appointment in about an hour. And so, like I told you guys, it takes forever for me to organize my refrigerator. So what I did right now is I just stuffed everything in the fridge so they don't go bad, because we had to leave in about 15 minutes, so we are not late for her appointment. I am gonna reorganize and change this later. You will see.
Hello, bye-bye. Alright, so in this one, we're going to put my Asian sauce and pastes. Like, this is my tom yum paste. This is my garlic oil. It's almost gone, so I should be able to empty that spot later. This is my chili crisp, the tamarind concentrate, my bagoong. If you're Filipino, you know exactly what this is. My pho flavor paste, my pickled ginger, my makapuno. This is for halo, my ube, my Mang Tomas lechon sauce, my oyster sauce. There you go. All right, in here I'm going to put condiments, not pickles, but it's sauerkraut. So I'm just gonna put it there. It's gonna go lettuce, it's gonna go sauce, it's gonna go here. And that is it for our sandwich tray kind of thing. So in this clear container, we're gonna put the salad dressings in there. We got the ranch dressing, blue cheese, another Caesar dressing, honey mustard, tartar sauce. It's basically almost all gone. So I'm just gonna put it in a smaller container so I can make it fit in here. Alright, so this one I just bought at the dollar store. They're originally for soda cans, but we are going to use it for something else. I'm going to put my whipped cream in here. Here. What else can I put in here? Put my strawberry jam and my Parmesan cheese. It's going to be there.
Okay guys, we are finally done. Here is my organized refrigerator. So on this area, I just have my water bottle, or not water bottle, my coconut water and an almost empty jar of strawberry jam. And here I just have my coffee stuff plus my collagen. And then on the bottom, as you can see, we are just going to put water bottles there since Rizo can reach that. On the other side are my condiments that I'm planning on keeping, taking to camping. Right here is my candy stash, and here is just one of those big bottles that won't fit in this area right here. So the very top of the fridge, we have my condiments. That's where I put like mustard, mayonnaise, barbecue sauce, pickles, and all that kinds of stuff, whatever you see there. Over here I have my salad dressings. I also have my pickles and my jalapenos in there. And over here is a blank space. I don't have a container there, but that's just where I put like that garlic and like big weird shaped stuff. Here is my Asian container. That's where I put all my Asian ingredients. On here, this is where I put most of the time put my leftovers, and on the bottom that's just where I put, whatever fits. Like I just made mojito, so I put it there. My watermelon fruits, my margarita, and that oyster sauce right there that just fell on its side. Here is my crisper. I have celery there and I think cilantro that's wrapped in aluminum foil. They say it stays fresh longer if I do it that way, so I'm going to do it that way. This is usually where I put all of my cheese, and so as you can see, they're mostly just cheese plus some tortilla. And here is more of my vegetables that won't fit on the other side again. So in this little drawer thingy right here, I just put some cheese and I have wonton wrappers right there. More cheese on that other side, and on this shelf, I have my sodas. I rearranged it again because I'm very undecisive. I have labels on here, but it almost never gets followed, so I might just take that off later down the road. Tofu, my kids love tofu, so I'm just going to keep it there. I actually just cooked it not too long ago.
There you go. My freezer, it's still looking the same, but it's just going to stay like that. Hey guys, if you guys are still watching, thank you so much for sticking around. I know it's kind of a long video, but I appreciate you guys if you guys are still here. I just want to add that I am going to be putting out crafting videos. So if you guys have any requests or suggestions on what I can craft, just let me know down in the comments below. And also, if you guys are new, I upload videos about motherhood lifestyle plus crafting. Like I said, that's something new. And thank you guys for sticking around. I hope you guys come back for the next video next week. You guys always take care, and I will see you on the next video. Bye.